Welcome to Raisins, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, click the Analysis of Experiment tab and choose RBD Analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the treatment column, then select the block or replication column and select the variables. If any of the observation needed transformation, click for transformation. Click Run Analysis, and just like that, your results are ready. No calculations, no stress, just tailor-made outputs you can copy and paste straight into your report. Download them in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. It's that easy. In the Summary Statistics tab, you'll find clean tables for each observation. Detailed ANOVA tables are available in the individual ANOVA tab. If you need visuals, go to the Basic Plot tab and create presentation-ready box plots, violin plots, mean value plots, connected line plots, and bar graphs. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. If you want more power, the Advanced Plot tab gives you access to insightful, customizable visualizations. For quick, smart summaries, visit the AI Interpretation tab, where Raisins Assistant breaks down your analysis with clear insights. And if you've got 3 or more observations, unlock multivariate tools like ANOVA or PCA in the Multivariate tab with downloadable results at your fingertips. Raisins, where your data analysis becomes effortless.